Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a review of a 50p coin. Firstly, you can see that we have a box that's been made up. It's for the Natural History Museum, which is the one that's been doing the current dinosaur series. And this will hold the 3 coins that will make up the series. So that's the first part out of the way. Second part, we have a blue card and we have the standard Royal Mint Bunk. Both of them have portraits of Charles III, sorry. And we're going to be looking at this guy here, which is a Stegosaurus. I'm going to put the blue card to one side and concentrate on what the Royal Mint packaging is. You've got a, let me just come up a little bit, and on this one we have an unexpected find. Now, whilst I'm going through what this has in the leaf folder that the coin comes in, if you want to stop at any time and pause it and read the content, please do so. Unveiling Sophie. Now, Sophie was the name of this particular animal, this Stegosaurus. Now, what you normally get with a lot of these is you normally get a pop-up, and we don't have one in this one. So on the bottom there we have a Jurassic Legacy, and you can read a little bit about that, and that's by Richard Nichols. Above it on the gate leaf we have a lovable leaf eater, and we have the skeletal form of the Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus. It does have one thing here which you see, which is a vicious spiky tail. Believe me, bigger animals and more ferocious animals have been killed by that, according to the experts. And now we have a colour version of the Stegosaurus, and also there the that overfills this particular thing over there. So, and then on the reverse we have Discover Stegosaurus, which is there, and then we have the coin specifications, which is there. Right, now to the main event, so to speak. Let's go down and let's whoop, bit too far. There we go. This is the colour version of the coin. Across the bottom here you have the Stegosaurus in skeletal form. You do have that on the blue card as well. Then underneath it you have Jurassic. So this is saying that the Stegosaurus was around in the Jurassic period. The last coin in this series the earlier coin in this series was a T-Rex. And it's a fascinating fact that there is a bigger time difference between the Jurassic period, where the Stegosaurus was, and the T-Rex, which was in the Cretaceous period, than there is between the T-Rex and humans. So there's no way that Stegosaurus and T-Rex ever met, despite any Jurassic Park or any other type of film series may have depicted. The coloration is as near as they possibly can get it to what they believe was the colour of the Stegosaurus. They can't be 100% sure, nobody can, because they haven't found any skin or anything like that. The plates, the bony plates on the top, the the spines that make up the Stegosaurus. Some people believe that this was used to cool the animal down as its coolant system, because it was such a slow, cumbersome animal. Apparently had the brain size of a plum, and when you compare that to the size of the body, there's not an awful lot of brain power for the size of the body. You go all the way down and then you see that terrible spiked tail. This is its main defense mechanism. So if something attacked it, it could swing its tail and its back leg, the back half of itself, it could swing it and actually cause untold damage to any attacker. They reckon it could break another dinosaur's leg that was attacking it. It was that strong, and the spikes would have done damage to the muscles as well. You have, as I say, many of the spines that make up the Stegosaurus, the plates. As I said, it is thought, and they believe they have had some reason for saying this, that they know, or they can work out things, that it was part of its heating system, in the way that it was able to help the Stegosaurus keep its body temperature to an agreeable level so it could function. I don't know if it also helped warm it up at the beginning of the day or not. I don't know enough about it to say that, but it stands a chance, doesn't it? What do you think of this coin? I have actually liked the T-Rex. I thought was a wonderful coin. This one I've put in second place of the two that I've seen so far. Something about T-Rex that, you know, sort of initiates childhood memories of learning about dinosaurs and seeing them for the first time in books and that sort of thing. And it's always the one that everybody sort of thinks of, and it's got the name of the terrible lizard. It sort of fires the imagination somewhat of a child, or it did me anyway. So, that's the end of the review of this coin. It's a lovely coin, I'm very glad to have it, and I'm looking forward very much to the Diplodocus, which is the last one in the series. Or of this particular series, should I say. I'm hoping there will be more, but time will tell. What do you think of this coin? I actually do enjoy. I've enjoyed both the coins in this series very much. I do actually have 3 blue cards. One will be going into the blue card collection. One with the worst packaging will be taken out of the packaging and put into a flip and go into my date run. Third one, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to be doing with it yet, but I'm sure I'll find something either as a swap or as a giveaway, or I've got some friends over in the States that I might send these to. Whoops. So I'll just put the blue card out of the way for a minute. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you so much for staying to the end. I do a minimum of 5 videos a week, usually 6, hoping you'll find something that you'll enjoy watching. I am trying to up my subscriber level again this year. I reached the 250 subscribers I was trying for last year. My target for this year is 425. I stand at around about 289 at the 10th of March. So if you can help me reach that figure, I'll be extremely grateful. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye-bye. Ta-da now.